have a song. Me have a song. When name Gunpoint, you must be one dead tonight, and if you make another move on a lose on a life, you have an artist from Seaview, pirate the song. Cause a lot of people, you see this melody? This melody getting been known in Giants yard. Cause you have everybody going this melody. You have a melody named Fearful Missy Pan me Gunpoint. You have a man going and say, Be here, girl, Missy Pan me Woodpint. Yeah, Penny Aaron and Whisker Benji have a big argument over the melody. And then Ronan going out again and say, Be here, girl, me say when the Kyle back. You understand? And then every man is going in and say, Be here in the same melody. So that you I'm marking Jamaica. They must know that you can come with a melody. But all of these artists just want to be a part of it. So you have an artist with name Major One, but part with General B them time there from Seaview. In pirate style. Him and Duckman pirate style and he told him a war over it a road. So somebody from Seaview tell me the Toddler, Seaview artist pirate style. Him name Major One and him a. So when time me see Bounty Hunter the first time in life, and that me see Bounty Hunter singing ask Bounty Killer the singer. One of them youth yeah, God, no one of the man them member star, God. Me not knowing I'm a brethren them in about more time. Show me some man. That is not like not even attention more walking. But one of the brethren them member king. One of the man them member the root of the game. If the man them member how certain things start. If the man I tell the king man. Therefore wonder if the man them member bro. Because the first day me see Bounty Hunter in a life, you know. The first day I see him when you see me can ask him, I tell you something when I talk, bro. You can ask them whenever you share a story with them. Don't afraid to ask them, King. That's why I ask them, but King come in and edit nothing, King. So I stay my thing on like a book. I want the world to feel and understand. The first day me say Bounty Hunter. He must sing a song there. I might sing, he must sing to someone. Because I never know who Major. I never know which one of them are pirate the song. Somebody say a Seaview artist. A pirate the song. They never call the name and tell them the truth. After I'm gonna find out say a Major One. When me say Bounty Hunter, he must sing a song to Major One. He must say the song. He must say Gunpoint. You must say one dead tonight and if you make another move on the lose on the life. Fearful, me say pan the Gunpoint. Father, so when fool the kid out here in one time. Fearful. I stand up and I look on the man now. I sing the song now. So I stand up and I look on Bounty. I sing the song to the youth. But I said, oh, I hear pirate the song from the Seaview. Same time Bounty Hunter. I said, no. Are you William Toddler? Are you William Harry Toddler? Are you boom down the man carry for me, you know? I mean, I want to ask him if a film song car. Me hear say Harry Toddler song. Remember at the same time, Bounty Hunter just tell me, say, a Major One, he might ask if a film song car, Major One, I sing the song too. And Bounty Hunter, so me hear say, you him Harry Toddler song. And so me go know Bounty Hunter, you know, the day, you know. And then they might walk out and say, yeah, Toddler, say, Hunter, you met to the Hunter, Toddler met to the Bounty, I'm a virgin, this, you know. And at the same time, the cherry became friend. They want them to man them member, because member in the star, right, the children. To all my friends get famous, you know, and to all my family friends get connected with the world, you know. Sometimes the man to remember Harry Toddler, you know. And guess what? It's true, me know me I do. I mean, know the road to me take. As long as God know my step, you know, so right now my mom make. Anyway, dance or play a Harry Toddler play. I'm a thank God for even that alone. You understand? I love this with all of my heart and my soul. Remember, when I'm training, I'm going to tell the rest of the start of school, 7th grade. So I have nothing for hide. I don't hide nothing from my mother or my father. Ask them, nothing to hide. They want to own the streets from me young. So I feel something to share with the world also.
For sure.
But it's one time, you know, Bounty Hunter. Killer the destined for me. They have a lead thing about it. And they have a thing name organized. And they have a thing name in the war free mic, some a little tweak. But me Killer said put some DDX on the mic. Me I wonder what was that, you understand? So the destined lead was around us. That's why I have to respect Killer because the leadership was around us. It's not like Toddler couldn't lead or a country or a book or someone here with experience at a young stage. Let him get the steering.
Yeah.
What's the problem if you're on the passenger seat? Sometime along the way, probably you go on the steering seat. So what we do, we Killer the steering, and Killer was like my parent ship and all everything there. So the best thing for lead, it was amongst us. And same time, the talent was real. You understand? Killer Martinian preparing and putting things together. Because remember, I'm tell you, at this particular though, some things I'm seeing though from a young age, I tell the truth, it worked. It worked. Because when time you even include me that I said. You know how important is that, you know how life is that is to include someone in a setting I don't know I say. And you can give someone 10 minutes over the class, kill a book for your hour, the spot them and get. And you include us in a set for even 10 minutes for the open part. You understand? That's how we get connected more with fans. Because the man I could have go sit down and say, fuck that, I fuck that, I believe it. You have no one to coach it. You don't want to sit down and go start up with that. You have that's just a mind thing, you know.
Yeah.
But guess what? It's when kind of cherry, it bundle up on one special. That's all bundle up on special start. Me, Dan the Mike, and Bounty Hunter, Killer the way say, we have on one special key. Remember, one history dog they thought they would kill them and them tricky, you know. Dog for dog. The rest of them are after. This is the dog for dog. But if you mention media, Sky Juice, and me, and Dan the Mike with the intro, Harry Toddler, and Dan the Mike with the intro. You see that intro there? Enough people, them not listening, them not even know. You see that day there, when that done, that changed everything to Killer on the nanny boat rhythm. May I tell the truth, bro, when that done, dub life, attitude, cause them time we're not on a phone, I'm Instagram, we're not on Instagram, I'm Instagram, we're not on a social, you understand? So you rely on someone's word. So when that everything changed, let's just start. I'm just Killer them about to be the expanding mind. I said, no, that you can know what I want. We never know. So we learn nothing from him also. And then man, they are share it to you.
Okay, so then it was you and Boom Dynamite that took Bounty Killer to Jammies, because this time you were the first artist out of the crew to record for Jammies at this time here.
Yeah. At this time, Dynamite take Bounty to Dynamite take Bounty to Jammies. Nitty Kochi introduced him to Uncle T, that's Jammies' brother, who over label named Champion.
Yes.
You understand? So this day, when time Kochi introduced Killer to Uncle T have a thing named a Saturday thing with them called again audition.
Yes.
Audition was a thing in Jammies. So it come like the man audition Killer the Saturday, but Killer the audition mash up Killer Vice 3 song the same day. 3:45. Him sing a song named them dip him. Then Patrick Hewitt, him sing a song named Batty Be Zero. And the next time I don't remember, but him sing 3 songs. Cause we did it within the Saturday. Cause remember so we had my brethren now, you know.
Yeah.
And we did it within the Saturday. 3 songs him sing. Them time there, we never record 3 songs one day yet. No man never record 3 songs one day yet. More if I say it go. Killer sing 3 songs the day. So we and Killer became brethren, and if you don't know, and this is the parent stuff. We had them apart straight until one day me and Killer have arrows. You have a thing named Dub Store, music called Mr. Power Dub Store. I tell you something, it's around everywhere me is a man going from your youth, you know.
Yeah.
I mean every one of them are road, you know. Cause all of them was community star. Toddler have been doing the streets. And Jaguar, me live at Jaguar, Frontline, everyone in place there. So Toddler, me carry them on the streets. So You have Ricky Trooper, I select Jaro. And Ricky Trooper's a toddler. Your bridge have a song named Dub for Dub. Cause Jaro cut dub plate. If Jaro want dub plate from you, if no want one or two. Jaro them cut all 10. But them a cut a artist. So me know, I saw Jaro them cut dub plate. 5 songs, if you bought 5 or 10. So come like him and say, him want some song from Bounty Hunter. So I say, Toddler, more you carry your virgin, come for Jaro. Cause them time the Metro Media have the song, I wounded the whole world. Metro Media have a song with Kita, dub for dub, I mash up the whole world. So when time say carry your virgin come. So I tell Bounty, but that day, like me and Bounty, I made that movie that day, like Dan the man reach a studio or some country in a reach, but me and Bounty I make a drive out. You have a taxi man named Trainer. We jump in a trainer taxi. So reach up a Jaro. I don't remember if I don't remember how much money him say I want to pay Killer for one. I never $100 if I $80 one or $1,000 one or something like that. I think I $80 one, you know. He must say I want to pay Killer, you know, $80 one. And Killer say a madman $100 one, you know. Them tell that auntie Bounty name and never name a Killer yet, you know.
Okay.
If ever in a life you talk to Killer, ask him this. So the man say a $80 one. Killer say no, $100 one, man. And like Trooper say, kid, put on the tape because thing say when Killer say when him say a 10 song you do, you know, at $80 one, you know, him thing say Killer would already just to his 10 song. And it's, you know, $80 good money that them time there, you know. Killer said, Toddler, I'm ready, you know. I'm at now the business, you know. It's when time Killer go away. Me I say, I want to kill a man. Me I say, I want to hunt them nonsense. Me I say, I want to the youth, yeah. Remember when they are jamming, you know. And if a man I give you $50, we are singing, you know. But me I tell you, so Killer set a standard that day, yeah. And him set something in music. And everybody have phone, a studio alone, a certain artists alone have phone. They spread around the music like wildfire the day. When Killer goes up, when Auntie walk out of the studio, Auntie Hunter, me I say, where the money I walk out for? When man left a good money here for, them time they have good money, this, you know. This is good money, I think about 91, this, you know, King. At the end of 90 or something, you know. Like Trooper never believes a Killer go and take out a door, man, but Killer walk out and walk straight and taxi and say, Toddler, come now, man. So trainer already.
Yeah.
And drive us straight out of Arrows. So when time we went to Arrows now, Black Cat, Panther, cause Panther and Bounty have a bridging ship from day one, cause you know Panther used to play Russell Sound and all that. So it's like me and Killer, me and Bounty go do the special them. We do 4 dub plate. We do a plate for Panther for $200. Them time there. And $200. Me I said, John, look how much money Killer leave on the road and come do this for $200 right here. So but what Killer did the day, him set a reputation right round. But the same day they know, Bounty Hunter pop out a ratchet and move to Killer and say, hey boy, if you ever say name Bounty Hunter pan a more song or sing boy name the Bounty Hunter, shoot this to your neck. Hey boy, rare, and deal with Killer wicked. So them time there, Panther have to come part it. And I think this lady Louise was around upstairs them time there. If to be, I think so star. Me have to say Panther for know if I really Louise was there. Remember so the youth them moved to a wicked. So when we go back at John's now, John changed Bounty name. Change Bounty name to Bounty Killer, cause when we are tell Sanchez and we are tell John Wagwan, right now John just say come like, well the Bounty Hunter want to kill you, you have to go name Bounty Killer and kill the hunter. So after that now, Killer name change the next day, sing Kappa Shot history.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.